Hello again for this series of free websites, and today I will show you a free AI tool to generate QR codes, and again it is in directdiary.com. This website is a masterpiece, guys. It is a masterpiece. So as you can see, you can find free coding projects for all of the computer engineering languages, we can say that, I don't know, scholarships, AI tools, and more and more. So today we will focus on AI tools and go down to QR codes. Oh my god, my accent is a French accent, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, so here as you can see there is an input. So you will write the thing that you want to add into your QR. Seriously. Sorry. All right, and then for example I will just write a number or anything. Let's say that this is a coupon or whatever, and then generate the code. And as you can see, baba, you can download it. You can just send it, share it to your friends or whatever, and then you can use it. Today's video is super short. I don't want to make it long. And yeah, that's it for today. So don't forget to come to directdiary.com, AI tools, and then QR code generator, and then just write a thing that you want to generate. By the way, also you can, I don't know, let's just whatever. I don't know. Okay, let's just do this. You can get any URL, you can put it and then generate the code. And again, this time the QR code will be a URL when they will how to say it, means when they open it, you can say that, yeah, they will find this link, and then when they click they will be redirected to there. So yeah, basically this is the thing, this is the website for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.